Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 6. So week 6 is jumping further into writing in APA formatting and documentation. We talked about the writing process in week 5. Week 6 is really going to dig into writing in APA style, which is a little challenging in its own way, but it's going to be rewarding when you learn how to go about doing it. So week 6, let's take a look at it real quick. Cool thing about week 6 is we got a lot of supplemental videos that are really going to help you understand the basics of APA, and that starts with the Purdue OWL. So the Purdue OWL is Purdue's online writing lab, which has, all the formatting basics that, they're really the number one site where people go to take a look at formatting concerns or questions, and, of course, in regards to APA, they do a great job with APA. Something. These videos are really the start of how to write in APA, and I just want to remind you from that perspective, make sure you understand that this, when they recorded this video, it's recorded in APA style 6. We're now in APA style 7. There are some differences, but there's not a lot. So when we jump into next week's module, you'll see some differences, because we're going to share some APA style 7 videos in that week, but there's not really any videos in APA 7 that they made that really go over the basics of APA like these do. So I left these on here. Don't get confused. There is a style change, so you're not going to see a running head as an example, but from that perspective, it's very, very little. So use these videos, and then we'll learn a little bit more next week. All right, you got the 2 videos for the Purdue OWL. You got a video that's important that I recorded, picking a topic and starting your paper, which is really an important thing to start doing because the paper and presentation will be upcoming here pretty soon, so take a look at that. And then your chapter 15 overview. So that's, of course, from your chapter 15 in your textbook. And of course, along with this module, we need to read chapter 14 and chapter 15 in your text. And remember, you can do that online still if you're interested in doing that, or of course your textbook is here for your reference. If you have a hard copy, most of you should. If not, I think the online actually is better. I got the link here for the Purdue OWL when you need to take a look at that, and there's some hidden things here, so let me turn that off. Your APA sample paper for the 7th edition is here. This is what you're going to use. The great thing when you're writing your paper, so we'll talk about this more next week too, you take that sample paper, download it, and just copy and paste your material into that so you're in the right format. All right, that's, I think, going to be a helpful thing for you. Then you got your chapter 14 and chapter 15 slides, so take a look at that as well. All right, one thing we have due this week is your discussion board. Your initial post is due the 7th by end of day, and then your reply the 11th by end of day, Mother's Day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. This is a great module to jump into APA, and yeah, I'm looking forward to your discussion posts and replying to them. Thanks so much.